Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and this is my second lecture on the topic of indeterminate form for JEE 2017 in the subject of maths. Okay, there are several types of indeterminate forms we have seen in the previous lecture, 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite type of indeterminate form using L'Hospital rule. Now we are going to see one more indeterminate form which is very rare and frequently asked in the JEE mains and advanced. So this indeterminate form is 1 raised to infinite. Which type of form? It's 1 raised to infinite form. So how we have to apply this? Listen friends, this is very simple formula, but the formula is very rare. So less people will know this formula. The sum is very simple. You just need to know the simple formula and you will definitely get the answer. Now when to apply it and how to apply it. Okay, see here this is the question. This type of question is given. As we see in the previous lecture, first of all we have to apply the limiting value. By applying the limiting value, which type of indeterminate form I get, and by that I have to decide which method I should follow. If I get 0 by 0 infinite by infinite, then I have to go for L'Hospital rule. If here I have to get 1 raised to infinite, 1 to the power infinite, if I get 1 to the power infinite, then I have to use this method. Then how to use this method and what is the formula? So here you can see that limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x raised to k of x is equal to, if this goes from 1 raised to infinite, then the answer is, the limiting answer is e raised to limit x tends to a, same limit, and f of x upon g of x minus 1 into k of x. That means this given function minus 1 multiplied by k of x. Very simple formula, but important formula. I again repeat the formula. Limit x tends to f of x upon g of x raised to k of x. If it gives 1 raised to infinite, then the answer is e raised to limit x tends to a, f of x upon g of x minus 1. That means you have to subtract 1 from this function into the power. Okay, now here we can see the one example is given. So what's the question? Limit x tends to 1, 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2 raised to 1 upon x minus 1. Now put the limiting value 1. So what you get? 2 into 1, that is 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 3 by 3, that is 1. 1 raised to 1 upon x minus 1, that means 1 upon 0, that means infinite. So 1 raised to infinite. Now putting limiting value as x is equal to 1, you will get 1 raised to infinite. So now how to use the formula? The answer is e raised to limit, same, limit x tends to 1, this function minus 1, that is 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1 into this power, that is 1 upon x minus 1. Now we just have to simplify this. I will take x plus 2 as a LCM and simplify this, then I will get e raised to limit x tends to 1, 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 1 upon x plus 2. Now this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 both gets cancel out. This x minus 1 and this x minus 1 both gets cancel out, and you will left with limit x tends to 1, 1 upon x plus 2. Okay, you will left with limit x tends to 1, 1 upon x plus 2. Now you just have to put this limiting value and you will get e raised to 1 by z, that is cube root of e. This is very simple sum, but you just need one thing, the formula. You just have to know the formula and you will get the answer. What you have to do, you just have to put the limiting value. If you get 1 raised to infinite form, then the answer is e raised to limit the function minus 1 into the power. That's it. And put again the limiting value and you will get the answer. Now I have to tell you that you have to solve approximately 20 to 30 sums from this type of example, and if you have any query or doubt, then ask me in the comments. I will solve all your questions. Okay, thank you for watching this video friends, and you are watching This is Awesome series. I am going to post another video on the mathematics or physics subject tomorrow. If you like this, share this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All the best. Thank you so much.